Reputations aren't just earned, they're forged. They're forged of actions performed over time, of promises kept, challenges overcome, and uncompromising standards. The Holt family has helped forge the reputations of our customers since 1883. With skilled craftspeople building individualized solutions in a constant quest for better. Whether it's a Spray King tank, engine systems and packaging, or a custom engineering job unique to you, Holt Manufacturing stands on the shoulders of the Holt family legacy, dating back to 1883, while building on the resourcefulness and ingenuity of our current team. Because that's how reputations are forged.